American Express, Chase, Capital One. The three powerhouses when it comes to credit cards. It's like your past dating hookups. Some of them you're just ashamed to say why and how it happened. And the others you flex in front of your boys and your mom and dad give you praise cause you bagged a shorty. What's up guys, it's Brandon, this is BZ Investing. And in today's video, I will be telling you exactly what credit cards are in my wallet in 2021 going into 2022. Now, I don't believe in saving the best for last, so I'm going to start with the best credit card that I have right now. Bam! Yes, the American Express Rose Gold Metal Card. My absolute favorite credit card that I have right now due to its everyday purchasability. I use it every time I go out and want to purchase something. It gives me excellent points for my purchases, and it's just a flat out stud of a card. Now, if I want to be more specific in terms of the benefits that this card gives you, then I will say that the Gold Card smashes most of the credit cards that I have right now due to the point multipliers. You get 4 times the amount of points on purchases of dining, takeout, and delivery. You get 4 times the amount of points on purchases on groceries at US supermarkets, 3 times the amount of points of purchases of travel through the Amex travel website or through airlines, and 1 point for all other eligible purchases, which is basically everything. Now, I won't go too deep into the credits that this card offers. It's not technically a review for the American Express Gold Card. It does offer up to $240 worth of credits to essentially have your $250 annual fee cut down to $10 a year. Obviously, that's stretching a little bit, but that's what it does. Now, for the next credit card in my wallet, we're going to stay in the American Express family, and we're going to go with this one. Bam! Yes, the American Express Cash Preferred. So when you talk about having one of the best credit cards, this card normally doesn't get brought up, but what it does offer is quite unique. To briefly summarize the benefits for this card, for starters, you get 6% cash back for purchases at US supermarkets, up to $6,000 per year. Now, you might be wondering, yes, you get 6% back, whereas on the Gold Card, you get 4 times the amount of points for those purchases, but with the Gold Card, for the purchases for groceries, you get up to $25,000 per year. With the Cash Preferred, you get up to $6,000 per year, and then it's 1% cash back. So that's the difference. It might sound good up front, but you're not getting as much of the capabilities as you do with the American Express Gold Card. So give or take, you get 6% back on streaming services. That could help, it can. And then 3% cash back at US gas stations and transit. So bus fare, train, etc. Pretty good, right? It's pretty good. Now, it's not free to have this card. They do charge you a $95 annual fee. So, you have to debate, is it worth it or not? I think it's worth it. That's why it's in my wallet. And that's that. Now, the next card on my list, yes, we're staying with American Express. This is the last card that I have with American Express, but it is one of my first ones that I've ever had. And it is the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. Bam! Now, when I first got into the credit card game, it was in 2011. And then in 2013, I applied for my first American Express credit card, and it was this card. So I kind of have a little bit of a soft spot for it, okay? So bear with me. Now, to summarize the rewards, you get 3% cash back on purchases at US supermarkets, up to $6,000 per year, and then it's 1% after that. You get 2% cash back at US gas stations, pretty good, and then 1% cash back on all other eligible purchases. Pretty good. It's a free card. There's no annual fee. So again, a great starter card for the American Express family, so can't complain. All right, so now we start juicing things up. We're done with the American Express. My next credit card that I have is with Chase, and it's the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Bam! Now, to summarize the benefits that you get with the Chase Freedom Unlimited, you get 5% cash back on Chase travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards program. You also get 3% back on dining at restaurants, including takeout and delivery. You get 3% cash back on drugstore purchases. Be easy. And 1.5% cash back on all other purchases. It's a beast of a card. You better have it in your wallet. If I find you on the street and you don't have this in your wallet, I'm going to take your phone and make you apply for it. I'm just playing, but you better get it. It's a game changer. It's something that you just need to have. Free card, no annual fee, and that's that. Now, my next credit card in my wallet, I'm staying with Chase, sticking with the Chase family on this one, and it is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Bam! Monster of a card, But first, let's go over some quick benefits. You get 5 times the amount of points on purchases for travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards program, Beast. 2 times the amount of points on all other travel purchases, so airfare, bus fare, train, etc. 3 times the amount of points on online grocery purchases, excluding Target and Walmart and other wholesale clubs. 3 times the amount of points on purchases through dining at restaurants. 3 times the amount of points on select streaming services. Okay. 5 times the amount of points on Lyft rides and 5 times the amount of points on Peloton equipment. Whatever. Now, one of the main sticking points for this card is that your points are worth more, 25% more when you redeem them for travel. So quick little tip, if you have other Chase credit cards, let's say like the Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Freedom Flex, you can have those points, transfer them to your Chase Sapphire Preferred account, and then redeem them all for travel. If you want to, that way you can have 25% more for your points. It is a hack. It is an awesome hack, something that everyone needs to do if they're going to redeem their points for travel. And it's just something that the Chase family offers. It's awesome. Yes, this credit card does have a $95 annual fee, but they do offer some credits. That way you can get your annual fee down lower. Not gonna go over them in this video, but just saying. Now, next on my list for credit cards that I have in my wallet, we're kinda downgrading from here on out, okay guys? So bear with me, but let me tell you why I have them, okay? We're going to start off with the Capital One Savor One credit card. Bam! Now Brandon, why do you have that credit card? That credit card's kinda weak, bro, okay? It's kinda weak. Okay, so my first credit card was a Capital One credit card back in 2011. And this is my second Capital One credit card that I just got recently, I think about a year ago. Yes, it's not a big flashy card. I don't really care for it. I just wanted another Capital One credit card at the time. And do I regret it? Maybe. But first, let me tell you the benefits, okay? So let me back myself up just a little bit. You do get unlimited 3% cash back on dining purchases, entertainment purchases, popular streaming services, and at grocery stores. And then 1% on all other purchases. $0 annual fee, it's free to have. Is it something that I use every day? Hell no. Yes, there is a Capital One Venture X credit card that I see out there, look banging, but I'm not gonna get into that yet. Now for my next credit card, I just got done saying that I don't like Capital One, but I do have to tell you, this is my very first credit card that I ever got approved for. It's a secured credit card, and it is the Capital One Platinum card. Bam! Not proud of this credit card. I hate this credit card. It is absolute trash, and there is no point multipliers, or at least I don't think so. All right, maybe they updated it. I have not looked into it. Again, I got this in 2011. It is absolute garbage to me, but it is my first, and you have to be proud of your first time, right? Now my last credit card, okay? It is not what you think, Capital One, Chase, American Express. It is the Best Buy credit card. Bam! Now it's classified as the My Best Buy credit card, and it's not the My Best Buy Visa card. I got this card when I was in Best Buy years ago. I was trying to buy a MacBook or a TV, what have you, and they hit me with the, do you have a Best Buy credit card? No. Do you want to apply for one? No. You can finance your purchase. So they just reeled me in, right, like some dumb fish. I got hooked, guys. Quick benefits for this. Yes, you get to finance your purchases. Obviously, it depends on the purchase price. You can do 12 months, 18 months, etc. So it's kind of cool, right? You don't get no interest on you during that time period, and you can pay off your balances over time instead of upfront. Pretty cool, especially if you're buying big appliances and whatnot. And then you also get 5% back in rewards for your purchases at Best Buy. And that is all the credit cards that I have in my wallet in 2021 going into 2022. I'm Brandon, this is BZ Investing, and check out this video where I compared the American Express Gold Card and the American Express Platinum Card. Spoiler alert, it ain't what you think. Peace.